Hello everyone, welcome. I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so before I go into this reaction, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. So it's my first time seeing y'all. It's my very first time seeing Number High from the year started. So Happy New Year. Okay, and I've seen some comments under the video saying Happy Birthday. I'm not sure whose birthday is it, but whoever birthday is it today, happy birthday to anyone who are celebrating the birthday and the team of Number High. Blessings and beyond. Okay, so guys, today I'll be reacting to Number I 3XL. What that's supposed to mean? 3 extra large, I'm not sure, but that's the title of the song. That's the abbreviation of the song. So guys, with that being said, let's see what's up. Okay, so let's see what's going.
라이브の最前列君が俺の音に乗ってる俺は少し戸惑ってる
Okay, so they're back, bro. They are back. I'm a little thrown off. Okay, so let's see what this about. Let's see what the title represents. Let's go.
浮かぶ可能 3X 上
Oh, it says about the dress code that you're wearing. So one of the quotes is right. The more I dressed up, the bigger the clothes are. Okay, so I guess they are going a little bit more bigger in their dress code. Hmm. Freeze in the moment I met you. Okay.
Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me いたずらな顔で俺を誘った
Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Okay. Lunch break when you tempt me with a prankish face. So it's about a love song. It's all about them dressing in big clothes just to meet someone at school. And they're singing about her, right? Of oh, she tempted them with a little prankish face. What's that face supposed to mean?
休みいつになったら叙述のこの声そうアピりまくったダンスのスコアただナチュラルに愛した勘違いを使うした君と俺まるでスタメンきっと表現離婚なればなるほど苦しみは増すのが俺の情
So this woman literally gives them the hope, gives them the chance to believe that love is real. The more the earth grows, that's my job. The more they go deeper into love, the more they fall for her. And that's their job. The more the earth grows. Okay. So the more they fall for her, the deeper their love gets. Alright? I want to tell you 3 times love. So the more they go into love, the more the love get bigger. So the love go 3 times the normal size. Nice. So that person should be a great person. So much I can't help but stare. This woman is very gorgeous. So much so that they cannot stop staring at her. Yeah, that caught me enough times, bro. Sometimes, we have that woman that, to oh, she's just beautiful and gorgeous in her own way, and she's around me, right? I can't help just stare and just look at her beautiful face, bro. And her beauty inward and outwardly. That reaches me a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So it's 10 something years since, right? We've been living our own lives. So they were there. right? Separately, living their life for 10 years. But he finally came along to confess to her that, oh, she's beautiful and he loves her and he's falling for her. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Everything in life takes time, bro. So they're falling for someone who has someone already, right? You've got a boyfriend, and of course, swing and a miss. This is reality, bro. This is reality.
悲しみ食わないよ君と一緒に昔聞いてたレモディーの二人ことが懐かしい
So back then they were friends. She got a boyfriend, and they used to listen to music together. They were friends, all right. But he fall for her from 10 years ago. But just getting a chance to confess to her seems as if the boyfriend that that woman had, they've broken apart, and he developed feelings for her from that time up until now. So he's just getting a chance to confess to her of how beautiful she is, of when he's around her, he fall for her, bro. Of when he's around her, he just can't stop staring, looking at her. Those two person talk and MD and feel nostalgic. Exactly, bro. Good moment, good times, good times. It's gonna be nostalgic. Damn, bro.
My love went to down and manora I was ready no more tonight
Love is something that just swells and shrinks. It have to grow, bro. It have to grow. All right. So with that being said, he ended up falling for her. He fall for her, bro. Damn, bro. This is a real life story.
手が好きでこの愛は伝えたいんだ Free by love
This love is way too big, and he want to tell that woman, right? He loves her 3 times.
君の認める会にフィットする 3XL You better kill me hot by nights 聞こえてく Free by love 俺の認める会にフィットしてる 3XL 幸せ
Happy because you look happy, bro. We're living in a time where people seems to be very sad often, but once that person looks happy or feel as if or their surrounding feel as if it's happy, then I'll be happy. Because happiness is a way of life out. Alright, so if you're gonna have someone and that person is happy, then I should be happy as well. Right? Happiness brings joy, bro. Trust me. And if I have a woman and she's happy, then I'll be happy. No one wants to be sad. Everyone wants to be happy, but it's so sad that the world is so sad right now. Everyone feel as if they can't just do without the sadness. And happiness is a very important thing, whether it's love, whether it's what you like to do, whether it's your family. Happiness deserved by everyone.
So the show said汗ばむ手握り返せ
But because I couldn't squeeze back your sweaty hand, we have this snow. It doesn't matter what condition she's in, but whether she's working hard enough or she's sweating, her hands are so beautiful, bro. It doesn't matter if it's sweaty, yes or no.
あとを陰で今があのさ叫んだここからまた待ってる最善のフロア近くて遠い道の
Just imagine you're sitting there waiting on a woman for 10 years and you finally found her. You finally retrieve her for yourself. Alright? A sky of stars that are close yet so far. She's beautiful, bro. She's a sky of stars. Or yet so far by, loving her. But he falls for her. So it's gonna take time for her and she to grow together in a relationship so it could be a bond. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Let's continue.
今ならに決めるでかすぎんぜこの愛は伝えたいんだ Straight by love 君も認める会にフィットする 3XL You better kill me hot by nights 聞こえてく Straight by love 俺も認める会
Guys, I ain't gonna lie. The scenery is beautiful. The dance move is beautiful. Their dress code is as beautiful as well. So, very good song. Very good message. And this is the reason why I always come back to rap to number because of the message they put in their songs so people could understand what is it been taking place all over the world and around their surroundings. Let's continue. Well, there you have it. Very great song, number high, and this song is literally a reality. You know, people are literally facing this type of lifestyle now that they have to get to accomplishment or to a fruition. Alright, so number I never yet wait in vain to hear this song and the message you guys put out there in the world for us to understand what is being taking place. And this song is an it song. Every song these guys drop is an it song because everyone can feel what they're going through. It's a possible scenario of where people can be going through the same situation and is feeling the same exact way like what the number I just put in this message, bro. Very good song, very, very good delivery, very good videography, very good scenery. Number, thanks for sharing. Thanks for giving us your thoughts and what you think about what is being taking place and what you're going through. We appreciate it as a fan. As a Jamaican, I do respect your musical talent. I do respect the way all you guys construct your songs and your stories. Very awesome. And this is based off of a true story because I can relate to it. I know what is it like. So yeah, thanks for watching my people. I'll see you later.